This is an Imperial, which is about 1691 square foot, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. And these are knotty alder cabinets, stone stained. I'm gonna go around here so you can see the little cute dining area first. Definitely enough room for a very decent sized table. I'll swing around the living room real quick. And back to this kitchen. These are Corian countertops, raised bar kitchen. Show you, it has kind of a peppered look. And again, standard subway tile, but a nice little decorative tile inside. These are pillow windows, nice wood windows. So your dishwasher will be here, and this is doors versus drawers. On the end, that looks like a trash can on the very end, and then a row of doors, followed by some drawers. Very nice front door. And we're going to scoop in here. I'm just going to quickly show you there's a half bath here. This is a really great little nook. Right inside where you would come in from the garage for all your media. And then here the door is shut. There's where you'd come in. Lots of closet there. And your bench with cubbies. And your laundry area. You come in, you can put all your stuff right here. Dump it off. You got the USB ports. This is a really long pantry right here. And you go into your master, which has quite a few windows. And there you'll see a walk-in closet. And we're going to go in the bathroom. Now, this is super nice shower in this one. I'm going to show you the cabinets here. So this is a full onyx shower, but you have glass doors. So sliding doors, the linen cabinets right there. This is a walk-in closet. This one has differed. They have popped this out just a little bit to give a little more room and made this into linens. So this is a double linens. So a little different from the floor plan. So you've got this, you've got the super nice onyx, again, lifetime guarantee on onyx. And the glass doors. Goes all the way up to the ceiling, which everyone is doing right now. You can get a wood wrap mirror. White bowls for the sinks. I'm going to give you a close-up of our Craftsman trim.